viewers, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaskaram. You are watching Aha Namma channel. It's full and full education and entertainment. Watch the video carefully and learn it everything.
Hi students, good morning to all. So today what's the topic we have to see, and previously already what's the topic you have to learn. So I just show one diagram to know that one. Okay, so the first diagram seems to be so this and this. So this is one of the diagram and this is combination of two diagram. So anyone can guess what the topic is this? Just you have to find out what the diagram and what's the diagram plus and this one. Okay, so first you have to see this one, you have to guess it, afterwards I have to inform you. So now we need to learn this and this. So now anybody have an idea what is the topic is that? So previously already you learned this one, now you need to move on to this one. So what is the topic we have to see today? So in a previous class, what is the shape is that? This is square. So already you learnt about square and square. This is one of the root. Okay, this is one of the root, so I think consider as root. So square and square root. Already you learnt about what is square number and how to find out the square root. And here what the shape is this? This is cube. So what today we have to go to learn? So cube and cube root. Okay, so today topic we have to move on to cube and cube root. Cube and cube root. So first, what is mean by cube? Anybody you have an idea? So cube is nothing but when we multiply a number 3 times by itself, we say that the number and the product is called cube. Okay, when we multiply a number 3 times by itself, we say that the number and the product is called cube, or the number raised to the power 3. For example, you take m as a number, when we multiply a number 3 times, you have to multiply this consider as one number into 3 times, m into m into m. Okay, we say that the number and the product is called cube. So the product is called cube and number raised to the power 3 is equal to m power 3. So m is a number, this is a cube number. Okay, m power 3, m cube. So this is cube number. The same way, 1 can be written as 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 cube. The value 1 into 1 into 1, it becomes 1 only. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the value of 2 cube is 8. So the cube of 2 is 8, cube of 1 is 1. So now you know what is meant by cube. When we multiply a number 3 times by itself, we say that the number and the product is called cube. Now perfect cube. What is perfect cube? Cube of some natural numbers. Such numbers are called perfect cube. Okay, for example, natural numbers 2 is a natural number. Cube of this natural number is 2 into 2 into 2. Already I told the number which we multiple into 3 times. So 2 cube which is equal to 8. 8 is a perfect cube. 8 is a perfect cube of 2. 8 is a perfect cube of 2. The same way you take 4. 4 into 4 into 4. It becomes 4 raised to the power 3. 4 4s are 16. 64. So 64 is the perfect cube of 4. 64 is the perfect cube. Okay. So now you need to go and learn cube table. What is cube table? Cube, always I told, a number can be multiple into 3 times. So 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. Okay, 1 cube, already I told you, you need to multiple 3 times. So 1 cube can be written as 1 into 1 into 1. So how many times you multiple 1? You get 1 only. So cube of 1, you get 1. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So the value of cube of 2 is 8. And then 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4, 64. Next, 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, 125. So now you see 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. These are the perfect cube of the natural numbers. Okay, this is the natural numbers. Cube of the natural number is 1, 8, 27, 64 and 125. Okay, so what is the, so this is the cube of a number and you need to take a reverse. It is a cube root. Okay, it is a cube root. So how you find out the cube root? You need to take only 1 times out of 3. Okay, for example 125 can be written in the form 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, so how you can written 5 to the power 3. So you can written this one 125. Cube root of 125 is equal to cube root of 5 into 5 into 5. So cube root means how many times? 3. So 3 times you take 1 out. So 5 is the cube root. Okay, by and another method you need, by successive subtraction method is also there. Before that we need to learn about properties of cube. We have to see properties of cube. What is the first property? Cube of all odd numbers are odd. So cube of all odd numbers are odd. So what is the odd number? 1, 3, 5, 7. These are all the odd numbers. So 1 cube is 1 and then 3 cube is become 3 into 3 into 3, it become 27. So 27 is the odd number. And then 5 cube is become 5 into 5 into 5. So 125. So 125 is odd number. And then 7 cube which is equal to 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 7s are 49. 49 into 7, 63, 343. So now you can see the cube of all odd numbers is become only odd numbers. The same way, the second property, cube of all even numbers are even. So 2, 4, 6, these are all the even numbers. So 2 cube you can written as 2 into 2 into 2, it comes 8. 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, it becomes 64. And 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6, it becomes 216. You can see the cube of even number is even number. So the first two properties is contrast to both of them. So odd number become odd, cube of odd numbers become odd only, and then cube of even numbers become even. Next property. Now we come with the integers. So cube of positive are positive and cube of negative are negative. So without number I have to inform. So positive number we can take any number. It becomes cube means plus into plus into plus. So how many times you have to multiple plus, you get plus only. So obviously the product of, that is cube of positive integers be positive integers. So cube of negative integers, you know that the product of negative integers is being even number, it become positive. So minus is negative symbol, minus into minus into minus. So minus into minus, you know that plus, plus into minus. So product of different symbol, you get minus. So clearly you know that cube of negative integers, that means a negative integers, it can be multiple 3 times, it get only negative value. So the positive value, how many times you multiple, you get positive. There is no change. But negative integers, you have to multiple even number of times, you get positive. Odd number of times, you get negative. That is the rule in integers. But in a cube is a, cube means raised to the power 3. So 3 is a odd number. You can multiple the negative value in 3 times. Obviously you get negative value. And next, cube of rational number is the cube of its numerator divided by the denominator. You know that basic form of rational number is p by q. You need to cube the value p by q the whole cube, which is equal to, you need to cube the numerator and also you need to cube the denominator. So this condition already you learnt in exponents and powers. For example, a by b whole power m. So this power can be is equal to the both numerator and denominator can be written as a power m divided by b power m. The same concept, cube of a rational number is nothing but cube of numerator and cube of denominator. For example, you take 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole cube means it can be written as 1 cube divided by 2 cube. The answer is 1 by 8. The value of 1 cube is 1, value of 2 cube is 8. So 1 by 2 whole cube, you get the value 1 by 8 is the cubed rational numbers. Next, product of cube of two natural number is equal to cube of their products. So this is nothing but a cube into b cube. This is the product of two cube values is equal to a into b the whole cube. You need to multiply the number, afterwards you have to cube. This value is same. The value is same. For example, 2 cube into 3 cube, which is equal to 2 cube is nothing but 8. 3 cube is nothing but 27. So what is the value you get? So 7 8s are 56, 2 8s are 16. So you get 216. So next, 2 into 3 whole power 3. So 2 3s are 6 power 3. You know that 6 into 6 into 6. So you have to multiply 6 3 times. You get same 216. So this is the property, product of cube of two numbers. Product of cube of two numbers. So cube of 2 into cube of 3. Cube of two numbers is equal to cube of their products. Cube of their products, that is 6 cube. You get the value 216, 216. Okay dears, in the next class I have to explain about how to find out the cube root by successive subtraction. Okay, so here I have to show the cube table. 1 cube equal to 1 into 1 into 1. Likewise, you need to write from 6 cube, which is equal to 6 into 6 into 6, like that, up to 10. Okay, up to 10. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This cube value you need to write in your homework book. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.